In today's video, you will learn how to highlight text in CapCut PC. Highlighting text is one of the best ways to make important words stand out and grab attention in your videos. To start, head over to the text section and drag a default text layer onto your timeline. This will be the main text that your audience will actually read on screen. Once the text layer is added, extend the duration so it stays visible for as long as you want during your video. Matching the duration correctly is important because the highlight effect should stay synced with the text for a cleaner and smoother animation. Next, create another text layer that will act as the highlight bar behind your words. Go into the basic text settings and instead of typing regular text, enter several dash symbols. These dashes will eventually form the highlighted strip effect. After entering the dashes, lower the character spacing to -5. This pulls the dashes closer together so they appear more like one solid bar instead of separated lines. Now move over to the color settings and choose the color you want your highlighted text to use. Once the color is selected, increase the font size until the dash layer becomes wider than the text you want to highlight. This creates the appearance of a marker-style background behind your words. Scroll further down and turn off uniform scale. This allows you to control the width and height independently. Adjust the scale height and width until the highlight bar is slightly larger than the text itself. Once the sizing looks good, move your original text layer above the dash layer so the text appears cleanly on top of the highlight effect. After that, select the dash layer again and go into the animation section. Scroll through the animation options and choose Fade In. This creates a smooth animated reveal where the highlight moves naturally across the screen behind the text. You can then adjust the duration setting to control the speed of the animation. Slower settings create a more cinematic feel, while faster settings make the effect look more energetic and quicker. Preview the animation to make sure everything lines up properly and the highlight moves smoothly behind the text. And that is how you create animated highlighted text in CapCut PC.